With the help of this trick, you can open any lock in just 2 minutes. For this, you need to take any lock key and clean it with the help of a cleaner. Fill it with glue like this. After drying the glue for a minute, simply remove it with the help of a knife. And clean the glue on the key. Then take a pencil and take it with the help of a knife. And take it out from the top. And then, rub it on the rage mark. To collect the carbon powder. Collect this powder and mix it with baking soda. And mix them until the color turns gray. And spread the powder on the key like this. To cover the key, then spread some glue on it. And spread the remaining powder like this. And use the help of a knife to plane it. And spread some glue on it. After drying the glue, you need to take out the key easily. And take out the waste of the remaining powder on the key. And take it out slowly with the help of a knife. I recommend you to take out the waste of the remaining powder on the key. After giving the key shape, you can use any tool to make it flat. And finally, we have made the key at home. If you like the video, please give it a like. Thank you very much for watching.
दुनिया के किसी भी ताले को बस आप इस ट्रिक से खोल सकते हो। स्क्रू होल्डर लेके इसे ऊपर से छील लेना है। इसके दोनों स्क्रूज को कुछ इस तरह से निकाल कर आपने इसके अंदर वाले पार्ट को ऐसे निकाल लेना है। दोनों स्क्रूज को फिर से इस पार्ट में लगा देना है। इस तरह से मोटर पे लगा के टाइटली कस देना है। आपने किस तरह का आयरन का टुकड़ा लेना है। इसे मोटर के ऊपर कुछ इस तरह से लगाकर सोल्डरिंग मशीन की मदद से अच्छे से फिक्स कर देना है। आपने खाली इंजेक्शन लेना है और इसके पीछे वाली स्टिक निकाल इसके रबड़ को कुछ इस तरह से निकाल लेना है। लकड़ी के टुकड़े पर ग्लू लगाकर इस रबड़ को चिपका देना है। इस रबड़ पर भी ग्लू लगाकर मोटर को इस पर कुछ इस तरह से चिपका देना है। रबड़ बांधकर टाइटली फिक्स कर देना है। इस मोटर के पीछे ग्लू लगाकर एक लकड़ी का छोटा टुकड़ा चिपका देना है। इस टुकड़े पर भी ग्लू लगाकर एक इस तरह का स्विच बटन चिपका लेना है। और इसकी दोनों तारों को मोटर से कुछ इस तरह से अटैच कर लेना है। बाकी दो तारों को बैटरी कनेक्टर के साथ भी ऐसे अटैच कर लेना है। और इसे इस तरह से चिपकाकर बैटरी को इससे कनेक्ट कर लेना है। और बैटरी को अच्छे से फिक्स करने के लिए इसे किस तरह की लोक वायर की मदद से टाइटली बांध देना है। और बटन ऑन करते ही मोटर कुछ ऐसे काम करने लगेगी। और अब हम इसकी मदद से ताला खोलने वाले हैं। उससे पहले अगर वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो लाइक जरूर कर देना।
Have you ever thought that you can open any lock of the world with the help of paper? First, you have to take the lock of that lock, and heat this key with a lighter or anything else until it gets completely blackened. Then keep it on any plain paper like this, and keep another plain paper on it. Press it tightly with the help of a needle. With this, the key will be completely printed, and cut it carefully with the help of a kitchen knife. Because if you pinch here, all our hard work will go into the water. Our trick will not work at all. I recommend that you take the help of a big one here so that the chances of making mistakes are not there. And cut the key in exactly the same shape. You have to spread the super glue without being too thin on the whole key. With the help of super glue, the key will be completely blackened so that the lock can easily go inside. Until it looks like a super glue, please like the video. And see, the key of our key is completely real. Now it has become a hubo. And now we are going to open the lock with the help of it. Music. You can open any lock of the world with the help of this key. For this, you can take any steel piece of it, and with the help of a marker, draw the shape of the key. And say that you have to cut it with any help of any kind. Here, you have to keep in mind that the shape of the key you have made, you have to cut it in the exact shape. If there is any mistake in the shape, then our invention will get spoiled. And the lower side of it, you have to cut it into small pieces like this. I recommend that you take any help of any size here, and cut all the pieces and give it this shape. And with a paper clip like this, which will easily get 5 to 10 rupees in the market. Open it from the bottom like this and cut it from the front with the help of a marker. And bend the front part like this and take the whole shape. And press it with the help of a marker. And again, bend the lower part a little. And now, open the lock. But before that, if you like the video, please give it a like. Now, you have to put the key in the lock like this. And here, it is opened. Music. Many times when the key is stuck in the lock, and when we try to take it out, it breaks like this. How can you take it out like this? 1. Take a small piece of paper and stick it on it. Now you have to cut the part of the tape. 2. Then you have to put a glue on it like this. 3. Then you have to pull it out slowly. And your key will easily come out. 4. Take a bottle cap and heat it up with the help of a lighter. When the cap starts to melt, you have to take it to the key. Press it with your hips. And the key will come out easily. 3. Take a baking soda. 4. Then you have to put something on the lock like this. And spread it out so that it goes inside. Now you have to drop a drop of glue on the screwdriver like this. And you have to put it on our key and pull it up slowly. 5. Simply take a candle and light it up with the help of a lighter. Then you have to put the candle inside the lock and pull it out slowly. And your key will easily come out without any problem. And lastly, with the help of 2 blades, you can take out the key. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. With the help of a key and soldering iron, we will connect this 2-tube plastic to the video end. First, we have to take the soldering iron which will easily be found on any electric shop. And we have to take out the nib by opening the screw in front of it. Now, you have to take any kind of key and put the soldering iron screw in it. And then, you have to screw it tightly on the soldering iron. After fixing the key like this, you have to take any broken plastic which you want to connect. And then, you have to glue it to the temporary connection. Because, this is not a movable key that we are going to connect permanently. Now, you have to turn on the soldering iron, and take the key slowly by pulling it on the 2-tube line. I would recommend you to take any help of a big one. After turning the key like this, you have to open the soldering iron screw and take out the key. And then, you have to put the key directly in the soldering iron and tighten the screw tightly. And then, you have to turn the key slightly in front of it with the help of anything. After this, you have to take any plastic wire and put it in the hole of the key and gently push it on the 2-tube line. And after this, the broken plastic will become completely new. Without the key lock, we will open the video completely for this. First we will take some clay and then, in an empty box the way we will get stuck and press it nicely, we will fill the box with clay. Now we will take the key of our lock and press it in the clay. And gently take it out of the cup. Now the shape of the key is in the clay. Now we will stick the baking soda in it. We will fill the baking soda completely and spread the super glue on it, and then we will add the baking soda, and after spreading the baking soda properly, we will spread the super glue on the entire clay, and after spreading the super glue our clay is a little tight. Now we will simply take out the clay from our small box and slowly take out the shape of the key from the clay, and then we will put the side of the box with the help of the knife. You have to do this carefully. After removing the whole box, now our shape of the key is starting to look like this. Now we will slide our key on the brick so that it becomes plain. You have to do this very carefully because while doing this, the key can break. Now our key is ready. But before testing it, if you have reached the end of the video, please give us a like. So let's test the key. We have locked the lock and now the lock will be opened from our key. Music. You can make any lock key at home in just 1 minute. Watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to take a white transparent tape. Cut a small piece of it. Stick something on the key. After sticking it properly, you have to remove it very easily. And the entire key shape will be printed on the tape. Now you have to take any can lid and stick this tape on it. After sticking the tape properly, you have to cut it carefully with the help of your hands. Because if it sticks a little here, then all your hard work will go into the water. And the lock won't open, so I recommend you to take any help of a big one. After simply taking the key, you have to save some money with the help of your hands to make the key. You have to cut the remaining parts with the help of your hands. And press it lightly and make it flat. After this, you have to take some help of a knife. You have to take some help of a knife. You have to cut it so that the key shape doesn't get damaged. And with the help of a knife, you have to cut both the parts. You have to give it a round shape. And stick it in any shape. You have to take some help of a knife. Now you have to stick the tape on it, so that it will be hard. And now let's open the lock. If you like the video, please like it.